It's exciting to move into a new home or apartment. Use these pro tips to make your move stress-free.
Plan for each room to take 1 day to pack. Have a moving checklist.
Moving is a great time to scale down. Decide what you want to keep or donate. Create kits to prepare for the move. Gather all your cleaning supplies in one caddy.
Put together a moving day toolkit.
Pack an overnight bag for each person while your things are in transit.
Gather all your moving supplies in one place for convenience. Renting a truck can be more affordable, but also stressful. Calculate the truck size in advance. Hiring a moving company can be more expensive, but less stressful. So get multiple quotes and keep in mind, midweek moves are more affordable.
Use a moving calculator to easily determine how many boxes you need. Room-specific boxes can save time and money. Dish boxes have extra padding and inserts. You can pack your entire closet in a wardrobe box. TV boxes adjust to fit your TV.
Mattress bags protect your bed.
Vacuum bags save space.
Hand trucks with tie-downs make moving large objects easier. Furniture gliders help move large pieces with ease.
Use a clear label system for boxes.
Take pictures before disconnecting electronics for an easy assembly.
Keep disassembled parts in bags. Label and attach, or keep it with the furniture.
Keep small items from being thrown out by wrapping them in brightly colored paper. Use wax paper or plastic wrap to prevent liquids from spilling during transit. Here are some moving day reminders.
Put down floor protection over carpet.
Budget for cleaners to reduce stress.
Make sure to securely latch the rental truck. Get cash to tip movers. Figure in $5 per mover per hour. Good luck with the move.
And thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.